Hey guys, Matt from Eastwood. We're here in my home garage giving you a little tech tip for your bead roller. Now something that's really helped me with my accuracy when rolling beads as of late has been one of these flexible LED work lights that are also magnetic. I've tried all different ways over the years to try and clamp work lights, put a headlamp on, all different things to try and get good lighting right where I'm rolling a bead, right where the bead roller dies kind of come together. There's always a dark spot. My shop is really well lit. I've converted all my lights overhead to LED, but still I'm getting a dark spot right where my bead roller dies come together, and it was causing issues when I was rolling beads, especially when you're doing something that's really accurate. So what I found is by using this little magnetic light, I can kind of position it wherever I want on my bead roller. I can bend it and kind of turn it on so that it fixes the light right on where those dies can come together, where there's always a dark spot. And then I can turn and roll my beads without a problem. I can get really good lighting. And if it is in the way or you need to kind of position it depending on where you're standing, you can change it and turn it like this, which is really nice. So I have a panel that I laid out here. I have some paint that I laid on here, some machinist paint, and I scribed a line just in here, and we're going to use a set of step dies that I made to actually put an embossed look into this panel, so we're rolling straight and also curved. And I'm going to get a little close-up so you guys can see how handy it is to have this light on when you're rolling your beads. Alright, so hopefully you guys could see in that little video where I rolled this little embossed looking panel how helpful it was to have the flexible LED COB work light on your bead roller. Because it is magnetic, you can kind of stick it wherever you want, but on the power bead roller here, I like to have it right on the top, bend it in, but you can put it however you want. Now the other thing that I do have that I didn't show you guys, I have this light stationed on pretty much every one of my major tools in the shop. So my bandsaw, my lathe, my drill press, my bead roller, my press, all of those things, I have one of these flexible lights set on there because I can get the light to focus exactly where I want, and I don't have a die or the head of the tool blocking my work, and it just gives me some better results, and I don't have any type of mess ups because of not having enough light. So for under 20 bucks, you can't beat this tool, and it's definitely something that you need to have in your shop. To find out more info about this tool or others, make sure you visit eastwood.com, and you can click the link below this video to find out more and also purchase. Thanks guys, catch you later.